Good morning, everybody. So it's a pretty cool morning here in Wild Rose Campground. It's, I don't know the exact temperature, but it's actually really nice out, which is a really huge contrast to where we were yesterday in Furnace Creek, which was really hot. It was like 105 out there. But anyway, we're in the process of getting camp packed up, and I'm doing some vehicle engine checks here before we hit the road. We're just gonna take things easy. I'm gonna be sending some photos off of our leaf spring issue to some people today as soon as I get into town. But hopefully we're gonna keep going on the road here and get to our next destination. Although we didn't get to see everything Death Valley has to offer, we still got to see quite a bit, and it really changed my perspective on what I think Death Valley actually is, because I never thought it had the things we saw here. I think a return trip is definitely gonna have to happen at some point here. That's a dramatic change in scenery, I would say. So we are actually sitting at 7,600 feet up in giant Sequoia National Park. We got in a little late. Sun is just setting over the horizon behind me here, and I'm just kind of lighting myself up with the headlights of the car here. But we're gonna get the tent set up, get some dinner going, and yeah, welcome to our next video in the travel series where we explore Sequoia National Park. As you guys can see here, we have our tent set up. And we brought along with us for cold nights like these, since the temperature is dropping at 7,600 feet pretty quick here. So we have the winter liner that we brought with us here, and it just fits along the inside walls of the tent, and it's pretty cool. Can't really see it in great detail. I might get a better view tomorrow, but it does an excellent job of taking off the chill in the air. Alright, so tent is set. Let's go see what's happening over here. Dinner on the hood, huh?
Better than setting up the table in the middle of the night.
Yeah. What's for dinner?
Fajitas.
I'm so hungry. So we are here in giant Sequoia National Forest. Today we are going to head into Sequoia National Park and explore that. We're pretty excited for that. This is one of those destinations we've been really looking forward to doing. But anyway, we're getting camp packed up. We're gonna be heading into the park, and yeah, I'm pretty excited to see what we're gonna find. We are on our way to visit the General Sherman tree, and wow, that just kind of blew out with the sun right there. We're here in Sequoia National Park. We are hiking the General Sherman Tree Trail, and surprisingly, there is nobody here. Like, it is completely empty almost. The parking lot there's only a few cars out there. And then to top it off, they're saying that this trail is only half a mile from the parking lot and descends 212 feet. There's steep trail warnings pretty much everywhere, but it doesn't really feel that steep to me. It's pretty easy. There's steps, the trail is paved, and yeah, I mean, compared to Angel's Landing, this is a cakewalk. Those are some of the biggest trees I think I've ever seen. That was actually a lot of fun. What do you think?
It was, yeah. You can see the biggest tree in the world. That doesn't happen every day.
Well, we found this along the loop. It's Tharp's log, and it looks like it's a nice little cabin built into a dead sequoia that has fallen. Well, that is definitely one of the more interesting things we found in our expedition here. It makes you kind of wonder what the history is behind this. There's not really any plaque or anything. I guess I'll have to just look that one up later. We wrapped up our hiking for the day, and we're still here in the park. And there's one other trail I want to do. It's a hike up Moro Rock, and I really want to get there for sunset. So there's not really time to leave camp and get dinner, so we're kind of improvising, and well, yeah, we're cooking dinner on the hood of the car. So yeah, that's what we've done here in the parking lot. Anyway, plan is get dinner, and then we're gonna start a hike up Moro Rock and hopefully catch a pretty epic sunset. You ready?
Yep.
Still.